Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Want to have a quick review on my ROI, my total mine Caspa, and to update on the hash rates and how is it affecting the rewards. So today we currently mine 20 billion Caspa, which is 69% of entire Caspa, right? And the hash rate went to 4.16, it was 4.2. It goes up and down a little bit, so it's real-time hash rate on this cas.fyi website, which I really like to check. Our next reward reduction is scheduled in 1 day, right? So it will be, we will get from 196 reward per block to 185 Caspa, even a little bit less. It's 184 point, I believe, 99, right? So our next reward here, it's gonna be tomorrow at 4:08. I'm not sure what time it is. Is it standard time? Probably. So we will be dropping down another 5.6%. On the top was the difficulty raised up. So we are roughly at 3.5 times, a little bit more than 3.5, 3.6 times, I figure, getting less reward in Caspa per day compared to June 17, when KS0 was just shipped, right? The first KS0 was shipped around June 16 or 15, and somebody got it probably by 15. I got it on June 17 this year, and today is August 5th, about 8:50 p.m. and that's where we are. The Caspa price roughly 4.7 cent. Block reward 196, which is going to be reduced tomorrow to 185 Caspa per block mine, and 69% total Caspa mine, right? So let's take a look on our miners. So really what happened with my HumPool. My HumPool, actually I had to get out from here at about 6-8 hours ago. It was really kind of, the rewards were so low, and then something happened there. Before that, if you watch my previous videos, my 2 of 4 miners got disconnected, one and then the other. I had to restart them. It was ridiculous. I don't know why it happened to I really liked HumPool for rewards being higher, roughly by probably 10-15%. You know, it was so great until that started happening. So I didn't really like that. I went back with all my 4 miners, even though the hash rates kind of average a little bit lower. I am getting about 96 to 93 to 97 overall per each KS0 miner, but it's at least it's been stable. So I'd like to just don't lose time and opportunity, because if something like this happening and it drops there, it kind of lose the extra like 150 or something Caspa that it mine, or it could be even worse, I don't know. So you have to really keep track and try to restart them or do something. So I didn't have time to kind of watch them closely, so I just decided I'm gonna stay for Caspa pool right now and see how it goes, so I can report back to you. But that's where I decided I'm just gonna stick with that pool for now. And my actually KS0 is doing quite a bit better, I think, overall. It was dropping by a lot more. It was dropping to 60, well, this is 65, right? But it was dropping constantly to 60. And this one is just being okay. I mean, I think it wasn't that huge drops here on the Caspa pool anymore. So I decided, okay, we'll stay there. We'll see how it goes. If it's gonna keep around that 100 gigahash, then we should be fine, right? So let's take a look where we at on our Excel spreadsheet. So initially when we start getting the KS0, it was 1.17 pentahash on the network hash rate, Caspa network hash rate, and rewards was about 1,470 Caspa a day on one single KS0, and with to date hash rate being 4.2 pentahash, and the block reward still 196. I'm probably gonna have to add that soon in the formula, and tomorrow is gonna be 185, so another 5% reduction, right? So if we take that in consideration for tomorrow, about 5.6% reduction, so 94.4, 94.4. Are we gonna get 386 Caspa a day? I feel like I already reduced like that by only Caspa pool. It's like 10% less for me already, or 5% less than HumPool, so that's gonna even reduce more. So anyways, as far as today goes, on August 5th, we have, it's August 6th already there on the China, I guess. That's how they track by the other time. But anyways, with that rate is about 409 Caspa a day. We should be getting on each KS0. I don't think I'm getting exactly that numbers. My numbers average is, today was really bad day because of my HumPool actually made pretty bad for me. So it's 382 in average today. It was for about 405 yesterday and 468 per miner in average just a day before, which was kind of cool still. But look, it's crazy reduction over just couple days in rewards. However, the price of Caspa went up to 4.7 cents. What does that mean on the coins mined in US dollars? It is still around 1892 after power, so that means around $19, right? And it was $22, so the reward's dropping down, but because of price going up, it's doubled from what it was on the June 17th. The Caspa cost was 2.1 cent, 2.2 cents, so the price of Caspa doubled. However, the rate on the hash rate on the network is almost 4 times higher, so we still are getting less, probably 2 times, yeah, because it was about $36 in rewards, I believe, of the per day, close to $36 we were getting in Caspa if we sell at that price on June 16, right, as we started. Now it's $18, so it's reduced by half in dollars and 4 times in Caspa. So I guess it would be nice to keep Caspa, but I was selling a little bit, so kind of thinking backwards, like I'm getting less Caspa even with the same amount of dollars, so I should just keep probably more Caspa, I guess, because it will be this number gonna change with KS0. This number gonna go probably to like what we calculate 1620 pentahash, right? So if we get 16 here, we're gonna be only getting like 100 Caspa a day, 4 times less, and so forth. So it will go back to probably 30 pentahash, and then we were getting only 50 Caspa, and a block reward gonna change from 185 even lower, so that number gonna change quickly, and we not gonna be able to mine as much Caspa. So what I'm trying to say is, like, it's really tricky here. It's really hard to figure, but I guess just keeping maybe a little extra Caspa. I don't know, it's not financial advice, that's what I'm thinking. Just try to keep a little more now, since I'm pretty, like, I got almost like, let's say at what I sold 3,400, and spend 57, so I'm just about 2100 less. So I'm kind of can invest some in the Caspa mine right now. Just kind of risky process, but it's a less percentage. It's probably like 20% or 30% left. So my ROI on my first KS0 is still 36 days away with the current rate. Of course, that day is gonna probably keep on going up as our reward's gonna drop, especially tomorrow. And a price of Caspa, we don't know. I mean, if this is gonna go up higher, then we probably good, but with the Caspa what we kept. But if the price gonna drop too, then we're gonna be really in a different situation. So I'm have 36 days with today rate, 2 days left, which I'm really excited on my second KS0, which was reduced with the discount, 400 discount that the iceriver gave to compensate for the huge amount of the of what we had to pay, but they still charge 110 for the shipping, right? So it was 745 total, which is getting close. 700. I just need $45 to ROI on my second KS0, and then third and fourth are still like 42 days away. So if you remember, those numbers were actually around 53 here, about 40. So they do reduce just because the price of Caspa going up. This is crazy. So what if the price tomorrow like 55 cents? Then it's like this. Then I only need 31 days here, 36 days. So the price of Caspa really gonna matter on the on our ROI as well. So at this point we are sitting just roughly there. Most importantly, our rewards per day dropping quickly. That will extend our days here. But let's take a look at the new miners. What's interesting is if we take a look on our new prices, KS0 now 759 for the batch that's gonna be shipped August 15 to 30th, I believe, right? So 15 to 30th, price dropped. Yeah, so 15 to 25th August shipping date. We can get Caspa miner now 759. That almost like the discounted batch. Of course, it's gonna be a shipping cost, and then iceriver KS1 is like, so everything is like almost 3 times less on these 3 Caspa miners, KS0, KS1, and KS2, close to 3 times less than it used to be. So if we dial those numbers in, we actually on ROI, we are sitting about the same where we are right now, which is kind of insane, right? So I almost, if I have a new one, it will be, in other words, the same days to ROI as I'm still have left today on the one I purchased almost a month ago. What that means is they reducing the price based on what's the ROI left today. So there, it's kind of like, to me, it's gonna be infinite number until, I mean, that's gonna make sense. So this price probably right here of this miner gonna drop, I believe, to 3,000. This is gonna be 1,100. This is gonna be 620. Obviously KS0, I don't know if they can afford to drop that much lower, because that's most expensive per gigahash price, right? So it's probably gonna be like $300 still. I don't know, that's my feeling. Anyways, that's my prediction for these guys. And by the way, on maxi miners prices on the KS0, it's a little bit higher, but however, KS1, KS2, and KS3 and KS3L are much lower. That's crazy. I don't understand where they come in with these prices, and if this is real, or I never ordered that from maxi miners. I just noticed that. And that's where it is. So anyways, I hope it's good for Caspa. It's gonna go, and the price gonna go up higher. We're gonna have block rewards reduced, another one in September, by September 6th, by probably another 5 or so percent, right? It's about 5.6% every time, so that's where the reduction is. And will still be good if the price of Caspa going up. If it doubles or 10 times up, then it's still gonna be same rewards, I guess, close to same or something, you know, similar, but it feel like it's almost gonna drop to the same level as the Cadena and as ETC miners, all those miners. It's kind of gonna probably average in about the same. That's what my feeling is. But however, right now it's hype, it's good. We don't see a lot of those 18 million transaction, 18 million Caspa transaction, which we've seen before. Right now is like million. The highest are kind of like million within the last couple hours, right? 1 hour. Maybe that's a lot of the million transactions, the million Caspa. Boom, 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 boom. Look, it looks like somebody getting paid out for KS3. You know what? That's what my feeling is like. It's so many, $1 million received on. Let's take a look on the network on the live. Yeah, look at this. 28,000, 27,000, 557,000 Caspa, you know. Very interesting to see. I mean, like, it does pay out or somebody just sent in, but anyways, that's it for Caspa for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.